Oh no, disaster strikes when fools get behind the controls of heavy equipment. On May 16, 2024, chaos unfolded on a road near the Beltway, an incident that caught everyone off guard. This short clip says it all. Never skip your mirrors. One split-second mistake can turn a rough day into a full-blown disaster for everyone around you. The Sandy Tree Cutter storm is wreaking havoc everywhere. Oh man, this might be the worst day on the job that lumberjacks ever had. Subscribe to our channel and stay tuned for more jaw-dropping incidents and wild moments you won't want to miss. The Nordana Sky, launched at Ferris Smith, is the first of 6 advanced eco-box ships. At 122.5 meters long and 17 meters wide, it blends power, efficiency, and eco-friendly design in one sleek vessel. A crane burst into flames on Los Villares Road, sending thick black smoke billowing across the scene and bringing traffic to a standstill. Police and firefighters rushed in, battling the blaze and working to secure the chaos before it spiraled further. On SH-30 Atiamuri, a timber trailer suddenly broke free, scattering massive logs across the road and throwing traffic into disarray. The chaotic scene grabbed every driver's attention, a stark reminder of why thorough vehicle checks are a must before hitting the road. Watch as he tears through the massive airplane with unstoppable force. Just like any vehicle, regular brake checks and thorough inspections before hitting the road are absolutely crucial. Your safety depends on it. Yes, just 1 year after its construction, the Fairfax SD Water Tower came crashing down on August 8, 2016. Once a symbol of pride, it now lies in ruins, reduced to a forgotten pile of rubble. Wow! The Bandit SG75 stump grinder roars into action, tearing through stubborn stumps with ease. Its smart design slashes time and effort, delivering powerful, high-efficiency performance on every logging job. If our video helps improve your driving, hit that subscribe button. If not, go ahead and drop us a like anyway. A sharp turn demands quick thinking and precise judgment, and while not flawless, the maneuver caused no harm. The driver's smart approach, always scanning the road ahead, proves skill and sharp instincts behind the wheel. The legendary Scania 113 faced a brutal challenge and proved its might. As it slipped and sank on the slick slope, its wheels fought for grip, spinning hard, but it never gave up. A true warrior of the road. Under brutal conditions, these workers push forward, cutting trees, carving trails, and dragging heavy cables. Every grueling step lays the groundwork for connection and expansion. It's more than hard labor. It's the backbone of progress, built with pride and relentless determination. The Stump Ease method clears up to 40 acres a day, accelerating land development with speed and precision. It's a powerful tool that demands expert skill to reshape landscapes efficiently. Oh no! A nightmare moment for the tractor driver. He escaped just seconds before it went under, but the real struggle came after. It took an entire day for the rescue team to pull the tractor from the lake. The logger works with sharp focus, guiding the chainsaw into the massive tree trunk, alert to the risk of it rolling back. Every move is measured and precise, putting safety first as he prepares for the next firewood haul. The driver faces a tough challenge as the massive truck grinds to a halt on a narrow trail. With steady hands and sharp technique, he carefully maneuvers, inch by inch, fighting to free the beast that nearly blocks the entire road. The truck roars down the hill like a rampaging beast, hauling timber and unleashing clouds of dust in its wake. Which part impressed you most? Drop a comment, hit like, and subscribe for more epic transports.